Seller affiliate marketing for beginner. If you want to know more about Seller affiliate platform, how it works, we are new to it totally. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Seller affiliate marketing is. I'm gonna show you the 3 angles of Seller affiliate platform, so you know what you are coming in it to do. Okay, pay close attention to everything I'm about to reveal to you. Okay, my name is Evis Germany. I teach unskilled affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that will pay them up to $200 every single week, right from the comfort of their home. Okay, using their cell phone. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Okay, now when you go to your browser and then you type selar.co, you will get to this interface here now, and it tells you the best way to sell your digital products online. Okay, Selar is your all-in-one e-commerce store builder to sell any kind of digital products or services to anyone, anywhere. So once you click on this start selling right now, it will take you to the Selar marketplace, whereby you're going to explore many kind of products on this platform. Now let me show you something. Now let me log in and then I'll show you, all right, the dashboard, as well you can see how it looks like. Okay, now if I click on here, just hold on, let me show you. So I want to take you to the marketplace so that we're going to explore it. So let me click here to explore all the products on Selar. Do you see it here now? So once you click here, it says and extra income promoting other people's products. If I click on get started right now, these are all products on Selar. This is quite different from every other affiliate platform. Do you understand? Because here now you are going to explore over 10,000 products on this platform, and where a lot of people find it difficult is that they go on this platform and start promoting. They just go there because people are saying go and sign up for free. When they get there, they will become confused. They are not niche down. They don't understand it. And I made a video explaining how to get started with this platform the right way. And you can check this video up here to see it, how to get started with Selar if you want to make money as an affiliate the right way. Do you understand? So Selar is a platform whereby you promote other people's digital products, or you can put your own digital product here and start promoting. Okay, that is it. It's an e-commerce platform. Okay, it's not a place whereby you must get through a course for you to start promoting, except someone recommend it. For that is why I recommend a course which is very, very important, which is affiliate marketing sales secrets. I always recommend it for you to go through before you become an affiliate on this platform. Okay, there are many ways, there are many products you can get with, but that one is what I recommend for someone to get started with on Selar with. Okay, now this is the first one on Selar. You coming to promote other people's products. Do you get? This is me here now. This is the product. I purchased it. That is why I went through the course. That is why I understood how to actually make money on Selar. Okay, now let me show you. By the time you start promoting on Selar, selling other people's digital products, how your life is gonna look like. Okay, now once I understood it and I start promoting other people's digital products on Selar, now if you see here, let me show you my dashboard. I've been able to generate a whole lot of figures. This is my dashboard. I made over 200,000 naira plus in Nigerian naira. This is Cameroon and this is Kenyan shillings. Okay, by the time you understand it, you can start to promote other people's products. Now if you now want to sell your own product and put online, look at this place here now. It says switch to creators account. I told you there are 3 angles of Selar. First one is where you create your own products. Okay, second one is whereby you become an affiliate to other people. The third one is whereby you purchase a course. You can have access to the course you purchase. Okay, if I click on this switch to customer profile, I will see all the courses I purchased on Selar. If I switch to affiliate where I am right now, that is why I'm able to see my affiliate link and the sales I've done. So you can switch and interchange to different angles. There are about 3 angles on it. So if I switch to creators profile, you are going to see all the products I house on Selar. Do you see it now? I have about 20 products I'm promoting on Selar. Do you get? So if I click on it now, you're going to explore all the products. This is all my products I'm promoting on Selar. Okay, and this is their prices here. So you can do a whole lot of things in Selar affiliate marketing program. Okay, so if you want to get started on Selar, I will keep the link in the description for you to get started the right way using the affiliate marketing sales secret. Okay, and if you have every other question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'm also going to give you access to my free course, which is the affiliate marketing commando academy. Let me show you how the course look like. Okay, so that is I house it on Selar. This course is going to show you beginner guide to making money on Selar affiliate platform. I will give it to you for absolutely for free, so that you yourself can benefit it and gain insight from all I've been teaching in affiliate marketing. Okay, let me log in. This is my affiliate profile. Let me log into my creators account. Okay, hold on, let me try to open. This course is top notch. I explained to you from start to finish how to use different social media platform in order to promote your affiliate product. Okay, while it's load now, we'll scroll down. This is the course here now. Okay, then let's view in public link. Okay, it's open. This is one of my courses. This is me here now. We call it Affiliate Marketing Commando Academy, and this is the price of this course here now. Okay, so I'll be gifting it for you for free. This is my student who has earned over 200,000 naira in less than 3 weeks she started, and many of them here, this is my students, how the course have benefited them. Okay, so the course is also sold on Selar. This is what I teach, and this is Mohammed. Mohammed says the Affiliate Marketing Commando Academy course is been really helpful. It's been really helpful and easy to follow. I am learning a lot and enjoying every bit of it. Thank you, sir. So this is some of my students and result you can able to generate on it. Okay, and this is also my my own result as well. Okay, so by the time you get started with Selar, I'll be giving you access to this course actually for free. All right, I will keep the link to this course, all right, in the video description, and also the link to get started with Selar, which is the affiliate marketing sales secret, in the video description. Okay, Peter Kies, catch you later. Bye for now. If you have question, drop it in the comment section and I'll do it to attend to all your question.